Because you're gonna break the fucking gun trying to have fun, and then you won't have no gun to shoot. Don't be walking away with a fucking attitude. I don't care if you got an attitude.
Can't see shit, it's dark.
Got you chewing the dick?
No!
Don't put that in your gun. Don't, give me the bullet. Right now. Give me the fucking bullet.
Did you just hit me with
Yes, give me the bullet. I told you not to put it in your gun.
Don't touch me. Ow.
Give me the bullet.
Why you hit me?
Because I told your gun already
Jackie, tell him
full.
to stop hitting me.
What you pushing me for?
Tell him to stop hitting me.
Give me the, okay, oh my god, I'm trying to split this shit up and he's stepping on it. I'm not a
That
bat.
hurt.
Okay, but that's a fucking bat. I can't break your fucking bone with a broom. Fool. I'll fuck you up. What's the guy doing? Y'all ready?
Go
to the flow and then you beat his ass. I say Jason, Misha, Dunn, Ken.
When I count to 20, I'm gonna turn the lights off.
My nigga, I just had my gun.
Well,
Come on, let her fix her mom. Like,
Come on.
what you right? Are you mad? Who has a girlfriend? Where's my weapon?
In the bottom.
Nigga, what type of cleaning you did? It's still chips on the floor. I feel them under my
I
feet.
fucking, well, bitch, how about you clean the rest? Cause I ain't dropping it in the first place.
Who the fuck is you? She did it.
What you gonna do, bitch?
Give her a better gun.
Fuck her. She the one that gun in the first place. Stop fucking breaking the gun.
I ain't right the fucking
Me?
gun. And you bought these?
Yeah, that's what they fucking had. It was after Christmas, you dumb bitch. Shut the fuck up.
Not
Why
my
you want
fucking
my
head,
business?
nigga. Ooh.
Hey, look, she can do it without trying.
Hey, you just do that shit,
Girl,
bro.
put your motherfucking clothes.
Delicia.
Delicia. I was wondering why it smelled like Krabby Patty.
Shut up. Alright, coast is clear. Coast is clear.
You better not drop my shit. Scary ass.
Coast is clear.
Well, we got a secret society going on. Let's go.
I just you go first.
I don't know what the fuck is going on, but I gotta get out this motherfucker.
Let's get it.
That's the setup.
Rachel, be careful!
Open this door. Open this door.
Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh my god. Go.
Two more bullets.
Loud as fuck.
Honestly, I'm really scared. I don't know. Oh my god. I'm so scared right now. I just want to say to the family of my cameraman, Kenny, I am so sorry. This was my interview. My story. It's all my fault. I got camera.
Oh.
I got that. Ooh. We're really like, we're trying to survive out here.
Alright.
So we're going the fucking, you gotta stay the fuck back.
Y'all can't even
Never tired.
What is that?
Never tired.
You dropped the fucking clip.
It's right there. It's right there. It's right there.
Fucking dropped the clip.
Oh girl, don't push me. I got the camera in the phone.
Headphone.
Girl.
Sorry.
Girl.
Here, take a bullet. On the floor.
Okay, turn that light off.
Ooh, hang on, tell me twice.
Get the fuck off. See if we get up.
Right, you gonna see us in a minute.
Honestly, if you're gonna call me a bitch, make sure you put the baddest in front of it, for real. As you can see, it's 7:41 p.m. January 12th on a Tuesday. It's nothing for us to do. I don't think I'm gonna survive. Oh my god. Oh my god.
bullets right here. There's like a couple.
Oh, give me the bullets.
There's one right here. Oh my god. Oh my god.
How the fuck did he get upstairs?
Let's go.
Let's go. Come on.
Get the,
He turned off the light.
I just found food. It was like how many days without food?
I think it was day 8.
If you want food, you can have it. I'll give you my food. It's just in case if I don't survive.
Yeah.
Okay.
What about water? Why the fuck the shit not? Yes, nigga, we heard him.
If I don't come back,
Why the fuck the shit not?
You be running up there, you don't be ready.
Fuck. Yo, his shadows get the shit out of me.
Nah, y'all got this for real, God. Remember all that time he beat y'all the fuck up? Get that nigga. For real, Jonathan. Fuck that nigga, Jonathan. Get that nigga. He in the corner. So y'all make sure.
How do you not have any more footage? My camera died. Turn around for me.
Little bitch, you lit, huh?